Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Battletron. But before we go any further, I just want to point out this is the Battletron from the Action Store. The Action Store are a European company. Nevertheless, I also have a Dutch channel if you're interested in a Dutch review of the Battletron and Action products. Alright, so I will leave a link over here. Now we have that out of the way, let's continue with the review. Because we are going to talk about the gaming speakers of Battletron, and basically what I want to focus on this video is we having different, let's say, stereo speaker sets that are working on an jack connection in combination with a USB for power. So most of these budget gaming kits or sound kits are having very small speakers. This version comes with an 2x 3 watt speakers. That's not a lot. So if you look at the specifications over here, you can see that it's a pretty decent kit. Let's do an unboxing together and let's see what are we going to get. And I'm also going to do a little bit of a teardown because I want to show you what's inside. So the first thing I'm noticing with this product that they're all glued at the inside, so you also need to tear them apart. So I really like the design itself of these, let's say, gaming speaker sets. It's just what's gaming about it. They look awesome. And they have some LED RGB feature. So that's something we're going to take a close look at it later. And yeah, they are pretty basic, weigh almost nothing, both of them. But I must say, this is what you're going to get with the €10 speaker kit. And also if you're buying these from, let's say, for $15 from AliExpress, it will be the same quality. I really like the volume control. The speakers, both of them are attached to each other, so there's no way of pulling the other one out. And what I really like about the volume controls, by the way, also the on and off switch, you can feel more like a little gear on the inside, so adjusting the volume is very nice. Here we have the two cables, the USB and the jack cable. And what I understand, the USB is just only for powering on the system. At first, when looking at the front of the system, I was thinking we're getting two speakers for each piece of hardware, but no, that is not the case. This is what we're going to get at the inside. I'm guessing this is one speaker for each player, but they just used two LED rings for give a better effect. Alright, so what you're going to need to do is very simple. You're going to unscrew the four little parkers that are inside, keeping the two shells together, and that's the only thing we need to do. And when I unscrew them, you can basically pull the two parts from each other. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the little speaker. As you can see here, we have the magnet, and it seems to be that this thing has double magnets. I thought we're finding the cabling for the LED feature that comes inside this little speaker. Alright, so now remove the speaker because I want to know what's beneath it. And the same story, four little parkers need to be removed so we can lift out the speaker. Finally, we have removed all of the little parkers, but what I did notice with this little speaker, that the suspension coil looks very nice. This is a pretty good quality if it comes to a speaker. Yeah, it looks very nice. Right, so here on the bottom we can find the LED RGB. And this is what we're going to get, to be on, but that's it. That's nothing much to it. I can rip it apart, but it's just an RGB LED down there. Right, so I put them back together and it's time to grab myself a laptop and let's see what we're going to get and how does this sound. Alright, for powering on, what you need to do is attach the USB, and as you can see when moving, the first part you can feel and hear and click, and that's it. And when turning it clockwise, you will put the speaker a little bit louder. Alright, so in this part, let's try. I'm going to show you the difference between the internal speaker of a laptop, for example, and is this speaker set an upgrade. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the €10 cheap gaming speakers. They look amazing. I really love the RGB light up feature. For example, if you're using this on a laptop, it's a great little upgrade. It's not a major upgrade, but yeah, come on guys, what can we expect for €10? This is what we can expect for €10. Again, they look great, they sound pretty decent, and if you have a device laying around, this is just a fun upgrade. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels. It would be great to have you here on the Wicked family. And if you subscribe, hit the little bell, leave a little like, it would be great. We'll see you in the next video.